So if you're trying to add YouTube Shorts to your website in any way, you can use a text block. And the easy way to get it is go to which video you're looking for. So I'm just going to go to PhotoBiz, and you can see you find the video that you're looking for. So if I was going to select one, maybe I want this one. I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy the link address, and once you paste it up here, you'll see it up here as Shorts, but we're going to change that to Watch. So watch what happens when we do that. It's gonna take us to the video. You'll be able to see the video as a standard video. And what you'll wanna do is then take the video, click on share, and from here, you can go and click on the embed. You're gonna want to copy it. So copy this, and then you'll go back to where you're at, and then you'll be able to go to the HTML block, hit paste, and you'll see the video will be there. Now, if you want it to be in standard look, you can keep it this way, but if you want that vertical look, just flip flop these numbers. So we're gonna make this 315, and then we're gonna make this one 560 instead. And it's gonna give us that narrow, short look that we're going for. And now it'll be on your website, and you can play it any way you want to.